B driving her car. Look. Hold on. Look. Turn around. Okay, hold on. You know what to do. Boom. You should maybe follow her, huh? Would that help?
Yeah, I'm gonna follow her.
Go for it! Go for it! Oop, gotta turn. Keep going. Okay, keep going. You know what to do. I'm a good driver. Oh, oh.
I need to really get in front of her.
Yeah, you should. Okay, say hi to Dada.
Hi, Brinley. Come on.
Okay, turn the corner. There you go. Say hi. What's he doing? Huh? Hi. Say hi. There you go. Okay. Now let's sit on it. Here we go. Sit down. There. Okay. Oh. Daddy off. Here we come. Get him.
Here, you tape. She wants to go fast.
Yeah, alright. Okay. Is it on standby? Did you stop it?
No.
Oh.
Stand where I was, and then get her going fast.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that's too fast. I'm having a hard time keeping up. There she is. Can
How
you
old
get
are you gonna be, Brinley?
1? Good girl.
Number 1. Okay.
Can you get off, B?
All done.
Okay, time to get off. Yeah, she's not sure how to do that yet. Good girl, Brinley. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi. Okay. Bye-bye. See you next time.